can help me?
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more.
Hi friends, just here with one of my broke best friends. You say hi. The other one's with his grandparents. So this video is sponsored by Walmart.com, and we are talking fall beauty. Friends, are we not? Are we not? Are we not? Okay, so I just placed an order with Walmart.com and picked up all of these great beauty finds. I wanted to show you, or just sort of talk to you about a couple of the products that are my standout favorite products that I ordered from Walmart.com for fall. Okay, so one, love me some Smelly Goods. I think this brand is pronounced Toka or Taka. I've seen this in other retailers. Thank you, broke best friend. This scent, I'll put a link down below. It's a mature scent. I'm here for it. It's sweet and sort of musky, and it has like a hint of like, I think, blood orange in it. Bomb. Bomb, 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 bomb. The other products that I like, the e.l.f. Brow Pencil, the Black Radiance Loose Setting Powders. You need these too. I got it in 2 colors. I have no idea where this one dropped, the brown one. Brushes, honey. So we got some e.l.f. brushes. I use them regularly, really, really affordable. Moda brushes, that's another brand you can get at Walmart. I'm here for it. Thank you. Physicians Formula Butter Palettes. The quality on these right now, listen. The Laura Geller highlighter, beautiful. These new matte ink super stay lipsticks from Maybelline. These joints right here, they're so comfortable. They dry down matte. Beautiful nude colors for fall. I'm here for it. I'm gonna show you a quick beat using some of the products that I featured here. Skincare as well. Clean beauty. This is a line that is unique to Walmart. It is a clean line. This oil, love. If there's one thing you're gonna get, honey, let it be these e.l.f. blending brushes. Friends, this right here, yeah, of course it's dirty because I used it, but the e.l.f. Beauty Blender. Get the 2-pack. Get your life together. You're gonna save yourself some coins and you're gonna be blended to perfection. Let me just say. All right, that's it for now. Go ahead, you're gonna sit back, you're gonna relax, you're gonna check out the cute fall makeup look that I put together. Our broke best friend was no help, but we got it done. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. And again, if you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And also, be sure to use the links down below to purchase any of these beauty products for fall from Walmart.com.
Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me, your love.
Thank you. Thank you for doing that, sir. He just knocked over everything that I have in the box. Okay? Okay? You just knocked it over.